Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and maybe replace the starter motor on Ford Focus CC 2 liters petrol. This car is equipped with the 2 liters petrol engine and engine code SYDA. The starter motor on this car is located on the front of the engine. In order to get access to it, we need to go underneath the car and remove the engine under tray. First, we'll start by removing the negative terminal of the battery. Next, I'm gonna go underneath the car and remove the engine under tray. Next, I'm going to remove the starter motor. The starter motor is located on the front of the transmission. It's located right there. Here are the two nuts that we need to remove for the solenoid cable and the power cable. And the starter is held on to the transmission by two bolts. So one is there and the other one is on top. On those two bolts there is another two nuts holding two metal plates. We need to remove those nuts first to remove the metal plates and then take out the two bolts. First, we'll start by removing the two nuts for the solenoid cable and the power cable. That's the two nuts removed, and now the two cables are off the starter. Next, I'm gonna go to the rear of the starter and start removing the two nuts holding the two metal plates onto the bolts of the starter, and then remove the two bolts. That's the nuts removed. Now I have access to the two bolts holding the starter motor to the transmission. To remove the two bolts, I'm going to be using this long socket size 13. That's the two bolts holding the starter removed. Now I'm going to take out the starter motor. And that's the starter motor out. Now I'll show you the part number for it. And now you can replace it or repair it, and then you can put it back in the same way. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.